Hi everyone, it's great to see you. It's a little warmer outside today, so I am out here taking care of a few more last minute things before another cold front comes in. And that means today I'm going to be looking and taking care of my dwarf Japanese maples that are in pots. Aren't these little trees just so adorable? They really did fabulous in the yard this year, and I have to say I moved the pots all around and I had fun trying to decide where they did the best, and that really worked well for me because I have a lot of shady areas and I didn't realize that some areas were as shady as they were, so I sort of, just moved them as I felt needed. Most of these would be fine left out in the winter if I put them close to the house. But some of them are like right at zone 6 hardiness, and because I haven't planted them in the ground yet, I really want to make sure that they do well. Now, just like with the hydrangeas, I don't really worry about them this time of year because they're going dormant. Most of the leaves have fallen off. There's a few still falling here. And once they're dormant, they're pretty good. It can get pretty cold. What I worry about, just like with the hydrangeas, is that they might want to put their little adorable leaves out too early come spring, have a late frost, and all those leaves would shrivel up and not be very happy. So by protecting them in the shed, I can avoid that problem. And then as I give them another year or two and I've really decided where I want them in the yard, then eventually they will get planted. But they look so cute here. Now I have to show you little Sangu. Sangu kaku is the larger coral bark Japanese maple. Little Sangu is a rare dwarf variety, but it still has this coral bark. And as you can see, it's just turning that beautiful red color for the winter. I love coral barks. I have decided. Dan is smiling. He knows that means I probably will be ordering another one in the future. But it's been so much fun to look out and see this color change happen. And I also have, this is Akakawa Hime. And look at the color of this one too. Just beautiful. So a couple of coral barks, and then I have to point out, let's see, I think it's this one here. Yes, this is Tattoo. Now all of Tattoo's leaves have fallen off, but it was the most gorgeous, bright orange color. And it's this tiny little tree with these tiny little leaves, and they all got this super bright orange. I loved that one in the garden. So I'm just having so much fun with these little trees. It's something really different for me. So let's get them all protected in the shed. On the way to the shed, I'm just giving you a quick update on a couple of the conifers that I have. So this is Jacobson, the dwarf mountain pine. And I have Jacobson in a little bag in the pot, and Jacobson's doing really well. But look around here. I took an old fake wreath and put it so it looks like we have greenery around here. It's worked out really, really well. And then here we have green penguin, a Scots pine, and that's sort of our little centerpiece here. And I have some lights and some Christmas balls. So I'm really enjoying my conifers too. So that was so much easier than moving all the hydrangea in. These were just tiny pots. They are all nestled in here now. And of course, this is unheated, so it's going to get pretty cold, which is absolutely fine. They're dormant, they're happy, but it does protect them from that real biting wind, and it will protect them from those real early frosts in the spring too, which is what I'm really hoping for. Just like with the hydrangeas, I'm gonna check them about once a month, make sure that they don't completely dry out, and they should be absolutely fine. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.